Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Hey, we got a bill and change today. It's a $5 bill and it's got that Where's George on it on top here. We'll show you how to enter it in the app and on the website. So stay with us and we'll get it up there. Well, here's the $5 bill we found. We got this in change at a little convenience gas station store. And it has, right here it says, track this bill at wheresgeorge.com. You can see it there. See where it says that on top, the red? And we'll track it. We'll enter it in their app and see if we can enter it online also. And see where it's been, where it was last, and see how many times people have found it and put it in. So we'll show you how to do that. All right. All right, load that app. Let's see, right there it is. See the picture? It'll load the app for you. Enter a Where's George bill. Okay, you enter. There's the state and all. Since I'm logged in, it shows me the city where I'm logged in at, zip code and all that. Now, down there where it says when, that's wanting to know when you had the bill. Click on today. It'll take you over. You can change the date you have it or had it. So you can change the year, the month, the day when you had the bill. And you get it where you want it. I click on today and see it moves it back to today's date. So do continue. It'll take us back over there to the date or where we entered all this. Right there we are. All right, scan the serial number. There we go. Use the camera or the OCR or keypad, either one. We're going to use the camera, okay? Click on that use camera or OCR. It takes you over there to the picture. Pull the box down and highlight the serial number. Grab that blue part and you can expand it. See there? Oops, I don't know what that was. Must have clicked the wrong thing. Alright, let's do a crop. Uh-oh, I missed the last letter, didn't I? Well, it'll tell me that. Watch here. See, I didn't get the whole thing in, so I got to go back and do it again. Alright, use the camera. We'll get the whole thing in here this time, okay? Click. Pull that box down. Expand it a little bit. Get the whole thing in there. Right there. There's the letter. Got it. All right. Now we got the whole thing in there. You can leave a comment right there if you want to. I'm going to leave one. Just tell them where I found it. Found it at a gas station, convenience store. Got it in a change, so. There's all the information, the serial number, the series, where I am and all that. Today's when I got it. Submit. Alright, it got it. See the bill tracking history. You can view the map. I've been to that map. It really doesn't show much. It kind of shows where I live, and that's about it. So I don't know what to do about that. So just exit out of that. We'll go back. There's our equipment, Texas. 1 day and 3 hours. Okay, let's see if we can do this online now. Launch the desktop site. It's loading. There we are. You can expand that a little bit if you want to. That first one says, I found a bill, a Where's George bill. Click on that on the left one. Expand that a little bit like you do your pictures. Alright, enter the serial number. You're going to use your desktop, your keypad here, so. Tells you if it's a star, use the shift 8, okay? Do you have the bill right now? Yes or no? Well, I do, so I'll leave it on yes. Current zip code. Alright. See what we got here. Oops, the city's wrong. I must have entered the wrong zip code, but there's your serial number. You can leave a comment there if you want to. I don't know where rec law is in Texas, but there's a map, so I'm not going to do that. Let's go back. A little operator error here. Zip code, yeah, I got the wrong zip code. It's 783. There we go. Now when we hit it, comes over, expand that so you can read it. Quitman, Texas, that's where I live, yes sir. Out in the country, got a little ranch out here. We about 15 minutes away from the city. Leave a little comment. Found at gas station. I think I left that already, but it asked me if I want to leave another one, so. All right, I think we're done. First person, finish, back up. You need to change anything. There it is. You got it. Oh, it's telling me I can't enter it again because I already entered it once with the app. So you can't enter a bill more than once. That way they keep the tracking real. You can't enter it over and over and over and over. So, but anyhow, you see how to do it online. So. So we showed you how to do it with the app and online also. All right, we're back to the home screen. I think that's about the end of it right now. Start entering bills and track them, see where they go. Back to the phone. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.